Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 5th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is Snow. Snowmen at Night by Caralyn Buehner, pictures by Mark Buehner. One wintry day I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down, he really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman races. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. Sometimes they start giggling, and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other till they all fall down. They gather up their snowballs, the pitcher takes his aim, and underneath the moonlit sky they play a baseball game. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. Wahoo! They yell. This is by far the snowmen's greatest thrill. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy, so they slowly gather up their things and one by one they go. So if your snowman's grin is crooked or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. The end. We're going to make a toilet paper snowman. So what you'll need is some glue and your craft to go kit, which, let me get this off here. Includes a lot of toilet paper and snowman things like googly eyes. We have a few buttons. We have a nose and a scarf. So we're going to put the snowman things aside because the first thing we're going to do is the toilet paper part. And what we need to do is just tear up the toilet paper into small pieces. And then we're going to glue them onto the snowman and make them nice and fluffy. Try to keep it on the snowman as much as we can. And you'll just keep ripping and gluing until you have the whole snowman full. Now just remember, if you have 2-ply toilet paper, you're going to want to separate the plies too, because the top of the toilet paper, the top ply won't stick as well. That's it. This is as fluffy as I want mine. So all I'm going to do is glue on the eyes up here. Got him. Give him his nose. Give him his big scarf. And I made him a couple buttons too, so. And I'm gonna just glue like that. Stick one there. one there. And that's all there is to it. Toilet paper snowman.